In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use variants and component boolean property in Figma. Component boolean property. We'll build a simple toggle and wire it so you can flip between off and on with a click. Start by opening your Figma file and drawing two basic shapes, an oval for the track and a circle for the knob. The oval should be wider than it is tall so it looks like a switch track, and the circle should fit neatly inside with a little padding on the sides. Give both shapes rounded corners, align the circle to the left edge of the oval, and center them vertically. Keeping the shapes clean and aligned now will make the rest of the process smooth. Select the oval and the circle together and create a component. Name it clearly, like switch. Components let you reuse this element consistently and make updates once instead of everywhere it appears. With the component selected, add a variant. This creates a component set with two versions side by side. Think of these as states. Rename the property in the right panel to something clear like state or on. Using on as a yes or no property mimics a boolean toggle, which makes it easy to understand later when you or a teammate select an instance. Use the second variant as your on state. Customize it so it looks turned on. Move the knob circle to the right side of the track, change the track color to a brighter or brand color, and optionally adjust the knob or track shadows for a little depth. Keep the off variant more muted and leave the knob on the left. Consistent naming, like off and on or false and true, helps keep the property feel Boolean and easy to switch. Now wire it up. Open the prototype tab, select the off variant, and drag a connection to the on variant. Set the interaction to on click, action to change to, and choose a quick smart animate, around 150 to 200 milliseconds, so the knob slides smoothly. Then select the on variant and connect it back to the off variant with the same interaction settings. This two-way link lets you toggle both directions. Preview your work by clicking present. Click the switch to confirm it changes states and animates correctly. If it doesn't, double check your connections and that each variant points to the other with change to not navigate to. That's it. Your variant-based switch with a clear Boolean style property is ready to use. Congratulations.